Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is, this right here is a new cabin air filter. So I'm going to show you how to remove the old cabin air filter and install this guy here. So first things first, what we're going to do is just pop out this right here, and you want to pop this side piece off, and then you're going to push in on the side here in order to relieve a little bit of this. And you're going to just, come on, baby. Let's see. I'm going to go. There we go. Okay. That should pop right out. That thing can be a little bit of a pig, but we're going to just drop this down. Give you a look inside there. Okay, so that thing right at the back there, that is where the old air filter is. So we're gonna just take this guy, pop it out, like that. So it's pretty much just like a little push tab. That's all it is. So keep pushing that in, and then you can pull out the other side. And then once you pull out the other side, you can remove the back end out a little bit. This is just a little tab that gets inserted right in there. And then this will click back in once we're all done. So I'm going to take out this old one. We'll see how that's doing. Oh yeah, that's seen better days. I'm not going to lie. That is a rough looking cabin air filter. Let's take this out here just to get a better look. That is definitely dirty, I would say. And let's test it up against the light. Yeah, can't see a single thing through there. Yeah, there's the light. Nothing going through it. Okay. Now, let's compare it to our new guy. And again, I just bought this on Amazon. This guy right here. So, it's nothing special. Just a change up. I'll get it all swapped out. And I sure do like to put some packaging on here, so we'll get this guy out of here. And there, that's what that looks like. And then we'll just test it up against. See, you can start seeing a little bit of light shining through there, as opposed to the other one, which was pretty rough. Okay. So let's get this back in there. We'll toss this in there. Now for these ones here, you want to make sure that you have the airflow in the right direction. this will have a little arrow on it, so airflow. I want to make sure that when this thing clicks back in, this arrow is in the right direction. So this one here says up. You want to make sure that arrow and this arrow are matching. Okay, let's get you back in here. That. Yeah, let's do this guy right here. Beautiful. Now, that's all good to go. Okay, so as you can see, that clicked in there nice and easy. And then this one here, you want to make sure that you click this guy in. This is just your, that's your hydraulic. Kind of makes it so that the glove compartment doesn't slam down. So you want to hook that guy in. But there's also these little notches right here. So you want to make sure that you have these notches on this guy right there. You want to line those notches on either side up with these notches on either side, that guy there and this guy here. And then as you tilt it upwards, it'll lock in, it'll kind of click in, and then you can hook this guy in, and then Bob's your uncle. That, and it's just a matter of pushing it back, and then you're all good to go. That's pretty much all there is to it. And if you like this video and you want to see more content like it, please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section, and just let me know what you're thinking. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.